Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to format numbers. Like this is the uh, projected revenue of introvert for different quarters in 2020, but it's in number only, and it's not looking very nice. So I can format these tables and can represent like these are numbers, but these are actually revenues. So revenue should be shown in some format. So I'll go to home page, and then you see there is numbers, which is the current format, and then you can select different options. I'll select currency. Now you see this dollar comes in. Now it looks better. These are in dollar terms, so it's looking better. But these, you see, these numbers are very, this dollar is very near and it's very close to this, and it's look very, does not look very nice. So what I'll do is I'll go here and I'll select accounting. You see now this dollar is aligned to left, and it looks much better now. If I want to deal with some other currency, and I suppose this is dollar and I want to use Indian rupee, I can go in here and select, like I can go in here and you see more accounting formats. I can go there, and then currency I can select whatever currency I need. I am selecting Indian rupee, which is down below. You see Indian rupee, and I'm selecting this Indian, and then okay. You see this very beautifully rupee symbol represents in this total amount. Similarly, you see these are in terms of currency, so there might be possibility that are these are you need more than two places after decimal points, because you can deal with cents also. So you can select this and you can click here. This will, you see, increase decimal points. So when you click it, it will increase the decimal points, and here you can decrease the decimal points, whatever required. So this is the way we can format the tables numbers. Thank you so much.